So how the Halo Plus works is connected to your phone, fires the horn, beep was to clone this key, hop in, try and start the vehicle up. They're going to start it up, it's going to cut out, there's a silent immobilisation, they're not going to know what's fitted. The vehicle just cuts out on the surface, nothing goes mad, but you get a phone call. So as soon as they're in the vehicle, it's going to let you know they're attacking it. So we'll just answer and end that for now. If they were to try it a second time, they'll start it up. I'll open the door so you can hear it. Select a gear. Car immobilises, they're unable to drive it away, horn goes mad. So the way we silence this is with the push sequence that's set up by the customer. I've just done that on the window buttons. And once again, we're getting another phone call. If the customer wanted to drive this car normally, they can either pair their Bluetooth phone up. So we'll just do that, turn the Bluetooth on this phone. It can be locked and in their pocket, they'll hop in, hear a double bleep, and they can drive the vehicle straight away. Nice and simple. Or they don't want to have their phone paired or an optional Bluetooth tag, they can use a push sequence. So the way they would do that with the Bluetooth off obviously for now, is after it's set and we get our flash, which is 10 seconds. After, we'll start the vehicle up, go through the code the customer's set, 1, 2, 3 we have set for now. Hear the double bleep, now we can select our gear and drive the vehicle. Customer can set their own code on this from 3 to 21 presses, pair up to 5 phones with it if they don't want to use a push sequence, and have Bluetooth tags. So this is one of the Bluetooth tags. This can just be in the vehicle, battery in obviously, and the vehicle's going to start without the code. As a valet mode you can do in the app, Starline Key app, press and hold on here, the green will spin around and go to yellow. When it does, we'll let go. Get one long tone, and that means the system's in valet mode, so it's a normal vehicle, no code, no phone. You're not going to get double bleeps, it's not going to cut out, horn's not going to go mad. It's just a normal vehicle for Range Rover. Obviously, so they can service it, road test it, move it around their workshop, whatever they need to do. It's a normal car. When you get it back into the app, press and hold on here till it goes green. Long tone again, this stays green, system's protected. Now if we start it up, obviously with the phone in the vehicle, we get our double bleep to prove it's disarmed, the system's active, and we can drive it. So once again, it arms after 10 seconds, so phone disappears, ignition off. 10 seconds later we're going to get an indicator flash like you've just seen, and now it's protected. So we'll start it up, just so we'll show you one more time. Select a gear, car's going to cut out. Now if we try again, the horn's going to go mad, and we're just going to silence it this time by turning the Bluetooth on. So we select our gear, vehicle cuts out, we're getting our phone call, we turn the Bluetooth on, system disarms straight away. So it's either the code or the phone. To get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is the Halo Plus Immobiliser, protecting this brand new L461 Range Rover Sport 2023. Customer's just picked it up, it's got 50 miles and he wanted it secured with the best system available today. Once again, this is the Halo Plus. We're Immobiliser Fit. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.